Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LBM Public School and this school situated in Pune, Bazar. In today's class, we are going to learn topic multiples and factors with HCF and LCM. Okay, in this topic, we will learn how we can find factors, how we can find multiples, and also we will learn how we can find common factor and common multiples. And after that, we will learn step by step how we can find HCF, that is HCF means highest common factor for any two numbers or three numbers. Okay, and also we will discuss this topic that how we can find LCM of two or three numbers. LCM is lowest common multiple. So we will learn step by step. Firstly, we will learn to find LCM and HCF. Multiples and factors. And after that, we will learn how we can find common multiples and common factors. And after that, we will learn how we can find HCF and LCM of two or three numbers. Okay. So without wasting our time, come on topic. And today's topic is multiples and factors with HCF and LCM. Multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Multiples and factors with HCF and LCM. With HCF and LCM. Okay. Multiples and factors with HCF and LCM. Okay. We will cover this topic today. Okay. So there is an example given. Razia has planted three types of vegetables. Three types of vegetables and vegetables in her kitchen cauliflower, tomato and beans. In her kitchen cauliflower, tomato and brinjal. Cauliflower, tomato and brinjal. Tomato and brinjal. Read the following statement and fill in the circle. Read the following statement. Read the following statements and fill in the circle. Okay. So listen carefully. Firstly, what we have to find? There is an example given. Razia has planted three types of vegetables in her kitchen garden. Cauliflower, tomato and brinjal. Rate the following statements and fill in the circle. First question is one row of 12 cauliflower plant. One row of 12 cauliflower plants. One row of 12 cauliflower plants. Okay, the multiplication factor will be 1 multiplied 12, that is 12 cauliflower plants. Cauliflower plants. Okay, And now the next one is second one is two rows of six tomato plant each that is 2 multiply 6 12 tomato plant 2 multiply 6 12 tomato plants and they are brinjal plant, so 3 rows of 3 rows of 4 brinjal plants, 4 brinjal plants each, that is 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12 brinjal plants. Okay, so you can say that 12 can be written as 1 multiply 12 is equal to 12 also, 1 multiply 12 is equal to 12 also, 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12 also, and 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12 also. So you know here that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are factors of 12. So you can say here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. Okay, now we will discuss on next topic. Now we will learn multiples. We will learn what are multiples and how we can find multiples of any number. Okay, so topic is multiples. Here is Mr. Froggy jumps 3 steps at a time starting from what, and Mr. Ravi starting from 1, and Mr. Ravi jumps 4 steps at a time. Mr. Ravi jumps 4 steps at a time from 1 at a time starting from 1. Okay, so color green and numbers at that jump. Okay, so there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, these are the numbers. Okay, caller, read the numbers. And Froggy, Mr. Froggy jumps from 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 9 to 12, 12 from 15, 15 from 18, and 18 from 21, and 24, 28, 27, 27, and now Mr. Rabbit jumps 4 steps in. So 1 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 8 to 12, and 12 to 16, 16 to 20, and 20 to 24, and 24 to 28, and 28 to 30. Okay, so now what we can see here, you will find that you will find that you will find that Mr. Froggy jumps on the number. Mr. Froggy jumps on the number. Jumps on the numbers. Jumps on the numbers. Mr. Froggy jumps on the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Okay, 27 and 30 and 30 and Mr. Bunny and writer and Mr. Bunny jumps on numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Okay, these are the bunny jumps. Okay, so we can say that these are called the multiples of 4. These are called the multiples of 4, and these numbers are called multiples of 3. These are called multiples of 3, and these are called multiples of 4. Okay, and now when 2 or more numbers are multiplied, when 2 are more numbers multiplied, the product is called of multiplied, the product is called of multiples of those numbers, called a multiple of multiple of each of those numbers. Each of those numbers. When two numbers are multiplied, when two or more numbers are multiplied, the product is called the multiple of each of those numbers. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing.